here our ninth question is the mean average weight of 3 students is 40. So average of 3 students weight or 3 students average weight. They are given that average weight, you can take it as average weight of 3 students also. So 40 kg. Then one of the students Ranga weighs 46 kg. So what you can say here is weight of Ranga. So that will be equal to 46 kgs. Then again what they are telling is the other 2 students, Rahim and Reshma, have the same weight. Find Rahim's weight. So weight of what they are telling here is weight of Rahim, that will be equal to weight of Reshma. So let weight of what we have to find, Rahim's. Weight of Rahim will be equal to x kg and weight of Reshma is also equal to x kg. Why? Because they are same. Now what we have to find it here is, so average will be equal to sum of 3 persons weight or 3 students weights by number of students. So average, they are telling that what is that average? 40. So sum of 3 students weight will be 46. Along that they are given. So sum of the weight of Ranga plus weight of Rahim plus weight of Reshma whole divided by 3. So 40 into 3. Why? Because 3 students are there. 46 plus 2x. Then what you can say here is 40 into 3 is nothing but what? 120. So 120 will be equal to 46 plus 2x. Then 2x will be equal to 120 minus 46. Then what we are getting here is 46, 74. Then x will be equal to 74 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Then 3 7s. What you are getting here is 37 kgs. So therefore, you can say one thing. Therefore, weight of what you can say here. So weight of Rahim. Weight of Rahim will be equal to 37 kgs. Like this, we need to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So in this module, I want to discuss 10th question. The donations given to an orphanage home by the students of different classes of a secondary school are given below. So here they are given the classes and donation by each students. So let's take donation by each students will be xi. So that is the case here. So we need to take this as xi and number of students will be frequency. How many number of students given? 5 rupees, 7 rupees, like that. So from 6th to 10th, find the mean, median, mode of the following data. So first write all the given classes. What they are given here is, so given classes are 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Donation by each students. So what is the donation by each student? That is xi. So number of students, this is xi. Then fi xi. So give a rate of frequency for finding the median. So donation by each students, what is that? Is 5 rupees. So this is rupees, 7 rupees. Next 10 at 15, then 20 rupees. So these are the rupees that are donated to the orphanage home. So these are all there in rupees. Next, how many number of students donated? 5 rupees. 15, 15. So 15, 15. Then again, what is this? 20. So 20. Then 16, 14. So 15 rupees given by 16 students and 20 rupees given by 14 students. So if you multiply this, all this, what you will get? 15 5s are 75. Then this also. So what is that here is 15 7s are. So we are multiplying. What is the total amount here? We are calculating is the total amount by all the students. So 105. Then 10 into 20, 200. Then 15 into 16, to 40, then 14 into 20 to 80. So these are the values. So let's take these are all. We have to find capital N or summation of Fi. That will be, this is summation of Xi Fi. So if you add all these values, 75 plus 105 plus then 200 plus 240 plus 280. So this is 900. We will get 900. If you add this all, 30 plus 20, this is 50. 50 plus 16, what is that? 66. 66 plus 14, we will get 80. So these are the values. Then how many number they are given? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 observatory values they are given. Next, what you can take it here as mean we can easily calculate, that is mean will be equal to summation of Xi Fi by summation of Fi. So what is summation of Fi Xi? So what is that value actually? So this is summation of Xi Fi will be 900. So 900 all divided by summation of Xi will be equal to what? That is 80. So ones are ones. Then 90 by 8. So what you will get here? So 90 by 8 will be 8 ones are, then 8 ones are, 10 will be 8 ones are, remaining 2 will be there, point, 20, 16, then 4 will be 40, then 5. So 11.25. So therefore x bar will be equal to 11.25. So that is the mean. Then what is the median value? So median is your number of observations are 5 are there. So for this it is odd. You can take it as what is the term here in cumulative frequencies. So we have to find the cumulative frequencies before going to solve median. So cumulative frequencies are addition of all these values. What is that here is for frequencies all one by one. 15, 15 plus 15 will be equal to 30. 30 plus 20 will be equal to 50, then 50 plus 16 will be equal to, we are added all these values, that's all. 66 plus 14 will be equal to, final value is what? 80. So 80 is there. Now, so before going to that, median how to calculate? So median will be equal to, that is, what is the median? So odd number of observations, that is capital N plus 1 by 2 term. So that is the in cumulative frequency. Term in cumulative frequency, based on that we are going to check. So N plus 1 by 2, what is that? N is equals to what here? 80. So 80 plus 1 by 2, that is 81 by 2. 80, then 1 will be remain, then 1 will be 2. So 40.5. So where is 40.5? 40.5 will come under, so here 40 will be 30 less than 45.5 less than 50. So which one is select? We need to select is 50, more than is that. So this is the way. So select this 10. So donation by each student median value will be equal to 10. So median will be equal to 10 rupees. Next, our mode will be, what is the highest value here? So number of students, which one is the highest? 10, 20. So here 20 is the highest one. For that we need to go with mode also. Mode will be equal to 10. So mode will be equal to 10. So like this we need to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.